Thanks for clicking on this video. Today we are going to I've already made 2 videos today, but I'm going to make one more because I was debating it. Now's the best time to actually kind of do this since yesterday was such a bad day in the market. And I probably should have done this morning. This would have been better. However, I just transferred $400 into my Robinhood portfolio, and I'm going to buy some stocks. I was going to wait a little bit longer because I wanted to save a little bit more money in my account because I've been spending quite a bit. But just with yesterday and how bad the market went and so on and so forth, because it went down a lot, I decided to transfer $400 and I'm going to actually purchase something with y'all. So I'm going to start recording my screen. There we go. And what we're going to do is that I was kind of thinking about what I was going to buy, and my thought process is that I was looking at Facebook and Apple because those I really want to build a lot more in. And then I was thinking about doing NVIDIA because if you looked at NVIDIA overall, I think that they do have a lot of potential. They were at $270-ish, and you shouldn't always buy a stock because of where it's been. Doesn't mean it'll go back there. However, I do believe a lot in NVIDIA, especially with the graphics cards, the gaming, that whole esports thing kind of going on there. I believe that it can go back to where it was, and this is one of the biggest things of where I'm trying to think of where to buy or what to buy. So I figured I'd make a video and kind of go through the thought process. It shouldn't be that long because I'm pretty sure I know what I'm going to buy. I'm just going to do a quick overlook at the ones that I have saved. I should have saved Ferrari. I should have saved them. I know I should have, but it's okay. It's okay. McDonald's been killing it. They really have. Like over the past 3 months, almost 10% alone. That is in the year. 40%. That is just, and they pay dividends. Okay, I'm not going to, You know what? Let me look at Facebook. I'm gonna do 3 months, year. But McDonald's, dude, they're 1 year up, and they pay dividends. 1 year, another 5 years, they went up over 20% a year. Facebook, in 5 years, about the same. That is tough. So what I'm looking at now is because I was gonna buy 2 Facebook. I wanted to buy Apple because of overall they do pay dividends, and I think that they're going with their new Mac Mini, the new product lines. I'm a little worried about their iPhone, to be honest with you. But overall, that's what I was gonna look at as getting, kind of buying them. But then McDonald's down here, they pay dividends. They have gone up almost 40% this year. Over 5 years, they've gone up steadily over 20% every year right there. And you know what? I was a little skeptical, but you know what? I'm going to buy 2 McDonald's. Not enough. Okay. Now, how much money? Big price. Okay. So give me one moment. I will be right back. I have to transfer a little bit more money. Okay, so here we go. I just transferred, should be enough money, transferred $50 more. I actually transferred 225s because I still didn't do it. Doesn't matter. Here we go. So we're going to buy 2 of these. We're going to review it. Yes, swipe up, order received, and perfect. Maybe later. And let's check how they did yesterday. They really didn't. 214. You know what? It's so fantastic. So now I currently own 2 McDonald's. That's awesome. So that was something I was not planning. I was gonna actually pretty much buy either 2 Facebooks, 1 Apple, 1 Facebook, and that's pretty much it. But I'm happy I looked, and overall, just because, like I said, the past history of a stock did really well does not necessarily mean it's gonna do or continue to do well. However, just with the market going down, a potential recession in the next couple of years, McDonald's is cheap. They're still growing. People think they're in the hamburger business. They're really in the real estate business. They own, I think they own more property than anybody. Pretty sure. It is crazy. I'm already down 12 cents. Not worried about it. But I am really happy that I just actually made that decision. Again, that's why you should always want to look at the stocks, look where you're going. I just invested $450 in my portfolio, which hurts a little bit, but it's going to be okay. I'm still making money at my job. It's going to be fine. But I just want to make this video. I'm happy that I was able to make this, kind of going through the thought process of what I'm buying, what I'm looking for, some things to look at before you're buying. And this really should give you an insight of what to really kind of do when purchasing a stock. And just because you think one's going to do well, or one that you might want to buy. You might want to look at some others first to kind of just make sure you're doing something well. And this actually will help diversify my portfolio, since this is going to be in a kind of a different sector. So it's in a different sector than a lot of my tech ones right there. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I do plan on posting a lot more videos like this, to where I actually spend some of my money, buy stock, show you exactly what I did there, as well as explain a little bit more about what I look into, what I'm looking into buying and increasing this portfolio. So thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave them below.